Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway SC box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Series 1 box break number 5. Here's the last name up for auction. There's Edmonton. And he's got a short announcement to make on our website. It loads it up in a second. BreakawaySC.com. We got a few case breaks going on tomorrow night, Sunday night, starting at 7 p.m. We got a Series 1 and a Team Select case break. Also a Series 1 draft break. So if you're interested, check us out. I'll make sure the links to those breaks are posted in the email that you got this link to. So how the Team Selects work is there's predetermined prices per team. I'll show you the serial number first before I open it. NE200012-845. That's NE200012-845. How it works is there's predetermined prices per team, so you get to pick the team that you want. There's still some teams available in both the Series 1 and Canadian Select case breaks. Also, we got a 28 spot live team draft of Series 1, and it's $40 a spot. I think there's either 8 or 9 spots left in that break. So if you're interested, it'd be great to have you. BreakawaySC.com. Again, we're doing all those breaks starting tomorrow night at 7 p.m. So you can just reserve your spot if you're interested. Here we go. I'll try and get through this as quickly as possible. Show all the cards. Once there's a hit, I will stop. Upper Deck canvas of Thomas Fleischmann for the Panthers. Shining Stars of Chris Kunitz for the Penguins. All base pack. Young Guns for the Kings of Tyler Toffoli. MVP for the Bruins of Andy Moog. All base. Jersey card of Eric Staal for the Hurricanes. MVP for the Canadiens of PK Subban. Young Guns of Jacob Trouba for the Jets. Hockey Heroes of Mike Bossy for the Islanders. Upper Deck canvas for the Kings of Jonathan Quick. Young Guns for the Penguins of Bo Bennett. On to the next row of packs. Got an Upper Deck Canvas Young Guns of Boone Jenner for Columbus. Shining Stars for the Rangers of Ryan Callahan. Young Guns for the Canadians of Alex Galchenyuk. MVP Jonathan Quick for the Kings. MVP Zdeno Chara for the Bruins. Young Guns for the Wild of Jonas Brodin. Hockey Heroes Patrick Waugh from Montreal. Upper Deck Canvas Jamie Benn for the Stars. Young Guns for the Ducks of Emerson Edom. Rookie for the MVP rookie, Jonathan Huberdeau for the Panthers. And the last pack. Jersey card of Batu Shane for the Avalanche. And there we go. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.